Today, we're going to bring a vertical power socket. Now, this is great if you're going to be setting up a conference room or you just have an office that you need extra jacks and extra accessories. Now, this one has a little couple features that you need to know about it. So we're going to open it up and take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's take a look at it. First of all, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that's about it. Just 9 connections. You got a 3-point connection here. Now, on top of that, they give you a couple of connections here. You guys can see 5 volts to 3.1A. So they're all going to be 5 volts pretty much, including the Type C connection, of course. Power button to turn it on and off is on the top. Everything glows when you actually turn it on, and we're going to do that right now, set it up. But if you guys can see that, you could charge your phones, you could charge your phone, your iPad, pretty much everything from this device itself. Once you have it set up, there is a reset button here too. If you have that, if there's a surge, something happens to a surge that it disables the system, there's a protective surge in here that you could reset the whole thing. Now underneath, there's of course padding, so you can actually set it up on your desk. It won't scratch your table. But pretty much you get these devices here for Type C to Type A. And then, of course, the actual power cord connection. Now, the only problem is that if you have a thicker connection, like a box or something, it's going to cover it, and it might cover the second one too. So it's only good for 3-prong or 2-prong connections. But other than that, I mean, you have 9 connections. This is more than enough for a lot of people. This is going to house a lot of the, like, if you want to set up your monitors, your USBs and other stuff to charge could connect through here. Instead of giving you one of your computer, your laptop, your desktop, you actually take from one here. I've seen these set up on the conference rooms where people come in, and it's an optional for them to connect their charge to charge their actual phone or their iPads or their sources too. So, all right, we're gonna plug in a USB Type A to Type C. This is only 5 volts. It's not going to be super fast charging station. Neither one of these will charge it super fast, but we're going to charge a Droid. If you guys can see it, it's only going to go, and it's going to tell you exactly how much battery time it has. Right now we're at 96, but in 11 minutes it's going to get full. So for 4%, it's not that bad. If you guys can see, the indication light shows you that it's on. You can turn it off by push of a button in the top. Completely turns everything off. Turning back everything, it powers up the phone. Same for every single connection you have in this module. So it's not bad. It's a pretty good system to share 9 connection plus USB charging, which is a plus. That to me is a plus actually, because I always need phone chargers, and everything's coming down with Type C to even to charge the system. So it's another way. I wish they had more of these, maybe two more, 2 and 2. It would have been perfect, but you know, beggars can be choosing. Maybe the next version. I like this push of a button. No indication light. It's a little tiny light. That's the only thing you get. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.